Okay, we've basically done that. We've got our little pile of doofer there. Don't throw it away because there's always a few seeds in there. And then we get this little bit and we just do something like this. We just go out like that and we do it again. Like this. And then we get this and there we go. You can see that, all that black, that's seed and sand basically. And we just get that. And you might want to do this, just whack it onto this like that, and we might do it again. As I said, that's why it's so finicky. And paste. So I would normally doing this early in the season when it's not so damp in the air, and this stuff wouldn't be sticking so much to the. And you don't want to cough or sneeze. If you cough and sneeze, just drop what you're doing and go away from the table. Because if you cough or sneeze, these seeds are so bloody. They're round basically. It's not that they're so small, it's they're round. So if you cough or sneeze, they roll basically, which is one of the advantages of how we separate it from the sand. So that will be coming probably in a minute. So just push that bit of frass off, and that's about it for the time. Now I need to get another, oh actually I've got one, sorry. No, we haven't got to that stage yet. I'll just get another piece of paper and start the next clip. Okay.